Mambo. Yani umeniingiza tika na bike haina side mirror. Unajua nimerealize hey bro, unataka kuniua. Twende straight. Bike yangu ni hii. Jamaa anasema ashaiunda. What's popping?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Better.
Wow.
Hey. Even the fucking launch.
Man,
it's throwing itself. The rear tire keeps spinning everywhere.
Yeah. A lot of improvement.
That's number
2.
Huh?
2.
No. Let's start with 1.
Hello guys, I am happy to say that my bike has now been fixed. The burnt clutch plates issues is now history. Yes, it cost me a bit, but I was able to cover the cost, and I would like to share with you the video of me going to pick up my bike. So I'll be beginning my adventures with the Vogue 525 very soon, but for now, enjoy this one. So apparently Vogue 525 has different sets of clutch plates, like some are thin, some are thick or fat, as I had highlighted in the previous video, as shown by the mechanics where I was checking the bike. But there is a very good mech. So if you have a sports bike or an adventure bike or super bike and you encounter any problems, I recommend him. After asking around and getting the reviews about him, I think he's really good with the bike mechanisms. He also got to school me about good riding habits that might actually help keep the bike in good shape, and also avoid maybe stressing the engine and the clutch. So as you will see in the video, hopefully I recorded that part. But yeah, so the guy is located, his shop, his garage is located in industrial area here in Nairobi, and it's along Rangwe Road. It's along Rangwe Road, and Rangwe Road is crossing Lunga Lunga Road. So you have to take Lunga Lunga Road and then Rangwe Road. Yeah, just at the exit of Lunga Lunga Road. So we can comfortably say along Lunga Lunga Road, and that's where I went to pick my bike. Yeah, so guys, the bike is in very good shape according to the mech. We actually did a road test before taking the bike, and I could feel the torque. I could feel the torque. I could feel the power. The bike is just as good as new. So he put new clutch plates. The clutch plates, because some are fat and some are thin, we had to get 2 sets of clutch plates, fat ones separately and thin ones separately, and then now fit them in. Yeah, because for Vogue they alternate, fat, some are fat and some are thin. So for that reason it was a bit more costly as compared if they were just fat plates only or thin plates only. We would go for just 1 set, but we had to buy 2 sets and then now split them up to fit them. But yeah, the bike is good. I have no trouble, no problem with it. Hopefully such a thing won't happen again. So I'm looking forward to more adventures. I would like to venture into further places, more interesting places, nature videos, hunting for waterfalls and nice scenic places. But let's see how it goes.
Mambo? Unaweza tufungulia hii bike na nimekuja kwa Sony. Nilikuwa nimeleta bike.
Amesimama mbali. Nilikuwa naenda kuchukua nikaona amesimama.
Sawa. Yaani umeniingiza katika road na bike haina side mirror. Unajua nimerealize, hey bro, unataka kuniua. Twende straight. Alafu ingia hivi right. Bike yangu ni hii. KMGN. Jamaa anasema ashaiunda. Sijui ako wapi. What's popping?
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Fit sana.
Uko vizuri?
Yeah.
Gari iko sawa tayari?
Huh?
Bike iko sawa?
Oh yeah, very nice.
Okay.
Right for me, man.
Wow.
Even the fucking launch. Man, it's throwing itself. The rear tire keeps spinning everywhere.
Yeah. A lot of improvement.
That's number
2.
Huh?
2.
No. Let's start with 1, bro.
Really?
Yeah, this is not number 7.
You sure?
Always number 1, bro.
You sure?
Yeah. Number 2.
Kwa hivyo inawezekana nimeua bike.
Yeah.
Me, I always do even sometimes 3.
No. Big bike, number 1, bro. Small bike is okay.
Someone never gave me this tip, Sony. Yeah, I've been packing my own bike, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, you've done sports.
Sorry?
It was on sports board.
Because I was a little kid.
Yeah. Hata nifike kwa gate narudi.
No, wait.
Ningoje. No, I'm coming back. Sawa. Narudi.
Sawa.
Lakini bado haijakuwa sawa. Hebu acha niulize hoja. Sony, experience your problem bado?
Yani ile ya kukata. Oh, hiyo ukifika main road. I think you see these stupid lights are still on here, bro. How do you switch them off?
So that's ABS TCS.
Yeah. Mona ile ABS TCS. How do you switch it off here?
Okay, iko hapa. ABS TCS ndio hii.
This.
But mimi nikifinya sionagi ikienda, lazima niwashe bike.
Yeah. So kuna vile nilitoa kwa barabara.
Kwa barabara kama unaenda inatokaga. So nijaribu wakati siko off
Huh? Yeah, bro. Yeah. So I did that when it was off,
Yeah. It requires me to be maybe moving, then I don't know
how to use it. I don't know how to use it.
It should be this one.
But I was fiddling when I was riding and I got toka, bro.
So hiyo ndio inafanya
Yeah. Hiyo ndio tunakata hiyo.
Okay.
Let me panda with you.
Sawa.
Mimi nienda. Please nienda.
Ngoja na bike kama bado iko na shida.
Oh, sawa.
Okay, we go. So there is something attached there.
Yeah. Okay. Tunakuja, tukai sana. Sorry?
You're returning the failure.
Yeah. So it's actually the ABS. Do you want to find hivyo tena?
Yeah, mimi nimetoa.
Oh.
Don't put it back here.
It's actually gone.
Also, how you are doing it is wrong.
How?
Okay, let me ride it.
Okay.
That's why they're turning black.
Because me, I learned riding with a small bike.
Oh, yeah.
So I just...
Let me show you. We do one lap, I show you.
So, yeah.
Just put my phone in your...
My fucking pocket. You like swearing, bro.
My swearing. It
You guy, my guy. So sema sijazoea big bike, eh?
yeah, no problem. Let me teach you how to ride it. So at
Okay.
least you. Ile hazards. Oh.
Yeah, hazard go up.
So, see my launch.
Yeah.
My hand is away from the clutch. I'm not touching it.
So mimi na familia nimeshika clutch ndani hivi. Yeah. It's very powerful.
The change, kabisa.
Yeah, it's true.
You see the power, bro?
Yeah, so actually the issue was the ABS.
And
the bike, I couldn't quit the bike. Sure. Completely.
I only use it when I like this guy is fucked me here.
Yeah.
So I go with him, I like him, Roger clutch.
Even when you're like me, I'm always pressing this clutch.
Yes.
That's why I'm packing up the clutch plates, eh?
Look, I'm away.
Yeah.
I'm not even touching it.
Okay.
So now I want to change gears. Like,
Yeah.
over here, obviously, you need to balance around.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I shouldn't use the clutch.
No. Look,
when
look
the
at the way
bike
I'm
is
riding.
cruising.
I'm out.
You see, I don't get proper mechanics around where I come from.
Oh, where are you?
Taita Taveta.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But right now I'm in Kasarani.
Wow.
Yeah. Still there are no mechs there. It was the clutch plate or not?
Yeah, those guys are nuts.